Hello, traders. Today is Friday, July 18th, and this is going to be my analysis for the Kiwi dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we did get a pretty significant fib bounce right here. It seems to me like the trend potentially is going to keep going down, but the market is really the only one that knows. So our job right now is to try to figure out if this move up is a pullback to the last wave down, and it potentially is going to make a lower high and keep going down, or is it going to go up, give us a break of structure, telling us that the higher time frame uptrend is still active and it's just going to keep going up. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I have my Fibonacci retracement on the last end of a correction. That right there is the last end of a correction in my eyes because from that point it's lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and then a break of structure. So our job is to figure out if this move up is a correction to this move down. If it bounces from a Fibonacci retracement level, goes down and breaks structure to the downside, I would definitely take it as a short. On the other hand, if it just keeps going up, doesn't break structure, goes up and breaks this structure, that's what's probably going to tell us that the weekly, monthly time frame uptrend is back in play, and that definitely would have to turn us into a buyer on pullbacks if that is how it plays out. So definitely keep an eye on your Fibonacci levels, keep an eye on your important structure levels, and that should keep you trading in the right direction. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.